Talking about EOH. So interesting that this is the largest by market cap of the South African IT companies. Enterprise Application Solution Provider. So what that is means guys that come and bring and do installations of things like SAP in businesses and Oracle rollouts for companies that use lots of web-based forms in order to run their businesses, track their accounts, etc., etc. Grown through organic and acquisition-led strategies under the CEO Asher Bhobot, who really has done an incredible job. Market capitalization 21.2 billion rand. Hard to believe they're as big as that, but they are. That's good. Price earnings ratio 31.8. That tells you how much the market likes that growth story. Dividend yield of 0.74%. I mean, what else can one say about these guys other than that they have been by far the standout quality performer in this industry?
Yeah, no question. I mean, I think management just hasn't put a step wrong. I mean, they've been acquiring. Obviously, you know, a lot of people join them. They have very good. I think they negotiate very well with the people that they acquire, and they stay on and you know, grow with EOH. I mean, they obviously take the share options, and I think their skill has been to really integrate those companies in and not lose that skill after 3 years.
You never hear about them afterwards. You know, sometimes companies buy like fast food chains, and the next thing you hear, there's a court case going on between the guys that sold and that exactly. Never happens with these guys.
And that I think, yeah, you've got to put that down to management, who just, like I said, just hasn't put a step wrong. It is very expensive at the moment. That's the only concern, but it's been expensive forever as well.
Share price chart reflects that very good movement. Not that many companies that have done as well as that in 2015, because we know it's been a rather quiet market. Going a little bit sideways there, a little bit choppy, but to be fair, it's been a choppy old market. Nobody's really made money in any part of the market for the last 6 months or so. So do they continue to deliver? I suppose they're probably working on another 3 or 4 deals as we sit here.
I think perhaps the risk here is also because of the size that they've grown to, for them to actually do deals that will move the needle becomes a lot more difficult.
They can't buy some guy's IT company now for 20 million. It won't make any difference.
Exactly. It's just not going to have a significant impact on earnings. And I think there is a risk definitely in that to EOH. But again, it's difficult to argue with the momentum that it's shown so far.
But they are expanding in sub-Saharan Africa more generally. I see here from my notes they bought that company in East Africa, I think called 23rd Century, and they've been continuing to expand their offering in cloud computing and security and ERP and all this stuff. So there's a lot of people that are still spending in that space because they have to. Okay, so hot or not?
I don't think you can call it a cold stock. I think you've got to have a little flame next to it. A little bit concerned about the valuation at the moment, but yeah, you can't say it's cold, so I'll go hot.
Hot, yeah, I'm hot on it too.